We are at Tipsy Taber Trails up in northeastern Connecticut. It's a little private area. It's got about 10 acres of land here. Folks that run it are really nice, so we hung out with them and chatted for a while. But we're going to get out on the trails here and try to do some wheeling.
Mm-hmm. And if it's something that any of you guys want to try, they do have a private Facebook group. You can look it up, join the group, talk to the guy, and coordinate a time to come visit and whatnot. They have a fun little fire pit. He mentioned that if you come from a ways away, some people might choose to camp, and that kind of thing. So there are options. Even though it's only 10 acres, he said that there's a lot to do and a lot to see. So we're excited to see what Tipsy Taber has to offer. We are here with another couple. They have a TRD Pro. Looks like their handle is atlasandashley. If I can find them, I'll go ahead and link them. The reel looks pretty cool.
Yeah. Last time I did that, it went into a tree, so we'll keep an eye on it. You're good so far. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Oh, you're good. You got that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You keep cutting it. You're good. Oh, yeah. Hey, that wasn't too bad. That was only 3 turns. That's...
Honestly, I thought it was going to have a few more. Oh, right? Well, that wasn't too bad.
Oh, yeah.
This is a fun little place. For anyone that's familiar with our escapades in North Carolina, this reminds me of Patriot Mountain a lot. Alright, Chaz is going to go for it. That's okay. I did that earlier like twice. you smell your tires, that means you got to reposition. We don't have stickies yet, so. No, no. You might be able to get away with more driver. He's having some trouble getting his driver's side up on this guy. Okay. Yeah. What's a little locker between friends? You know, I don't care. You're so far down.
So that front one is like, please no. We're waiting on, so there is a cut kit for those that we're waiting on one particular version to come out that's all RGB. They have the non-RGB versions, but we really want the RGB. Ah. I think you're on your front diff.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. Do you think I can put my mirror in?
Yeah, I can do.
Thank you. I don't want to buy any more mirrors.
Oh, you're gonna slide along your hard top. Right along the lip. It's
anything? Oh! Yeah. Take it easy there, pal. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Yeah, everything
was like, hello.
There's nothing else hanging off. You're good.
Alright, so as you just saw, I did not do so hot. So Chaz is going to show me how it's done. I did! That's okay, we'll cut it out. It's fine, it never happened. Yep, going up. You're up. careful now. Go that way.
Which way?
Go passenger. I want you to steer you into it. Yeah. There you go. You're good. You're good. Skid plates, but you're fine. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, come a little bit more driver. We're gonna go right over that big bad boy. Oh yeah.
Yay. Probably gonna scrape on that a little bit.
Oh, no, maybe not.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
That was fun. Yeah, I'm thinking try to kind of straddle these two rocks here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Spend it right up the middle, right up there.
Wants to go.
Yeah.
It's all locked, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again?
No, you look like you're pretty good.
Yeah. Yep. If it's gonna slide, let it slide and then it'll grab.
Oh yeah, get those tires. Probably tire. It's gonna. I bet you this rock's gonna catch on those sliders.
Go away. What does this mean?
I don't know.
My way. My way.
I can't turn anymore.
Alright.
Try as you come up, turn to your passenger side.
There?
Yeah. Alright, try number 2. Yeah, there you go. Back it up just a little bit and give it a little bit of gas. Not a ton, just a little bit to kind of bump over it. Yeah, right there, just a little bit of gas. Yeah, there you go. A little bit more. A little bit more. If you're gonna bump it, back up like a foot. There you go. And give it just like a little bit, maybe like 700 RPM. There you go. All right, go. Oh, it just knocked you off. Gerald Flip.
Nice.
Going up Gerald Flip. Yes, yes, right there. Yup, perfect. Oh. Yeah, you're at a pretty good clip here. Well, I'm at horizontal and you're at... Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, stop. Cut it hard, driver. All right, now try coming up just with that. And then as you get a little bit farther up, cut passenger. We're giving it a shot. All right, passenger. Oh, you were so close. Well, that's because you didn't cut passenger quite in time. Victory. We didn't break anything on the trail.
This is true.
So, hello, welcome back. We finally made it home. We didn't get to do an intro at the place.
Outro.
Correct. We did not get to do an outro because the stupid media mod keeps killing the GoPro batteries.
The brand new GoPro and the brand new batteries.
Brand new batteries just keep dying for some reason in it.
So.
Like, no, unchargeably dead. So anyways, we'll figure that out. But made it home, didn't break anything.
Yeah.
It's a plus.
No, I'm good.
Went
It's
to
all
a-
fun.
Yeah, it was a great little place. They say it's kid friendly, dog friendly, off-road item in general friendly.
Yeah. Oh, they're really nice. It was cool.
Super nice.
Yeah.
Little 10-acre spot.
Yeah. We got to take the parentals there.
You'll take everybody there. Everybody
yeah,
we know
everybody.
over there.
Yes, everyone. Mm-hmm.
Atlas. What?
He dropped ice and he's trying to find it.
I don't know. I'm just gonna eat it.
That's what he does when you put that in his face. Well, I mean,
One
it's
way
just
to
a
do it.
toy, you know? I
One
don't
way-
blame him.
One way to deal with
Hey,
paparazzis, eat them like. He's happy we're home.
Wouldn't it be funny if you had a dog and you trained it to go after the paparazzi mics? Just the mics.
Yeah.
Be like, get your toy. Aww. Here's this in the back. Alright, we
No,
got
that's
some
enough.
we got some tar paper to
got
tear up. The plug potential second channel at some point when we both have the energy. I don't know.
See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.